this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up the DAP social login form for your sidebar. So obviously I'm assuming here that you are using a WordPress theme that allows a sidebar template and you want to display your login form in the sidebar. And if that is the case, then in the shortcode editor, you have to say, do you want to generate a sidebar template? Set it to yes, and then select the sidebar template that's available. And again, you can customize it if you want to, otherwise just select the default settings and then go ahead and click on insert. Now when you click on insert, okay, it says I have not selected a sidebar template, so let's say I selected it by saying use this template, and now I'll insert it and it gives me this shortcode. Now the difference between a page shortcode and a sidebar shortcode is that the page shortcode, you actually have to save it on that page. The shortcode has to be on that page. The sidebar template shortcode, you're only generating it here, but it does not need to be here, because all you have to do is copy this, and you can always save it and you can call it as a sidebar login, but this is not what your users should see, because you don't want it to show like a page. It has to show in the sidebar. So the reason we use the editor to create it is because we need the shortcode. And once you have it, you just have to copy and paste it in your WordPress under appearance, under widgets. You have to create a text widget and copy it there. But later on, if you want to edit it, then yes, it makes sense that you save it somewhere so that you can come back and edit it. So you could always save it here and you could call it a sidebar template, but don't make it public. So then you go to widgets, you go to text widget, you add a text widget, drag it here and put it in your sidebar. So say for example here, and then you copy the shortcode that you got from there right here and then give it a title if you want to, and that's it, and you save it and then it will show up in the sidebar.